Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will learn how to round off values in MS Excel. Sometimes, after using a formula or anything else, you sometimes get a value like 9.364023 and so on. And what you want is that the value gets rounded off to the nearest ones, like this value to get rounded off to 9 and so on. In this video, I will be telling you all how to round off values. The spreadsheet I am using will be there in the description or flashing on the screen. Also, if you are watching my videos and like them, then don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. I am Divyansh and you are watching DJ's Creativity. So friends, let's get started. How to round off values using ROUNDUP formula. To round off values, you need to either use ROUNDUP or ROUNDDOWN formula. ROUNDUP rounds the value up or basically increases the value, whereas ROUNDDOWN does the exact opposite. For the sake of this video, I am using the ROUNDUP formula. It is exactly the same for the ROUNDDOWN formula as well. We need to go to the cell and type in equal to ROUNDUP and then a bracket. Then you need to select the cell whose value you need to round off. It's E2 in my case. After selecting the cell, then type in 0 to round it off to the nearest integral value. And then close it off using a bracket and press enter. You will see the rounded off value of the selected cell. You can then drag the formula till the values end. And then you will see the round off values of all the cells. See, like that. Now, when we change the marks of the student, the round off marks automatically get changed. Like if we change the marks from 97 to 83.578. The round off marks automatically get changed to 84, which means it has increased the value to 84. When we change the round off marks from 67.789 to 79.88, the round off marks get changed to 80, which means it increased its value. Similarly, if we change the value of 95 to 89.763, the round off marks automatically get changed to its nearest ones and it has increased the value. So friends, that's all for today. If you like the video, click on the subscribe button to get notified whenever I post a new video and never miss them. Smash that like button, comment on the video and share it to all your friends. If you want to give suggestions for my new videos, click the link in the description or use the link being displayed on the screen. Hope you like the video. Meet you in my next one. Thanks for watching.